Hi there guys, my name's Richard McMunn from howtobecome.com, the UK's leading career information website, and in this short video I'm going to teach you how to pass police officer numerical reasoning tests. Now I'm going to give you a sample question, explain how to answer it, and then I want you to have a go yourself at a question during the video. So let's get straight into it. Now this is a sample question. Okay, the question is, Kent Police have put out a tender for heating maintenance and installation. Okay, below are quotes from 3 suppliers. Now we have there heating, maintenance and installation. Across the top we've got Supplier 1, the total cost over 3 years, Supplier 2, the total cost over 2 years, and then Supplier 3, the total cost over 5 years. So the question is, amongst all 3 suppliers, based on an annual cost, what is the average cost to install hot air systems? So you'll see here in the question, this is where we have to start breaking down the information. So you've got there on the left, installation and boiler replacements. We've got hot air systems and service and maintenance. So all we are concerned about with regards to this question is the part in red, hot air systems. That's the first thing we need to do when tackling the question. So just to reiterate, the question is, amongst all 3 suppliers, based on an annual cost, what is the average cost to install hot air systems? And it gives us a choice there of 4 answers. Okay, so during the real test you'll get multiple choice questions to to tackle, to choose one from. So number 1 is 45,804. Number 2 is 50,000, number 3 is 48,266, and number 4 is 47,655. So they're all pretty close together, so we can't actually guess the answer. Okay, so we have to do some working out. So how do we do that? Well, step 1, work out the annual cost per supplier. So you'll see here, Supplier 1, it says the total cost over 3 years. So basically what we have to do is take Supplier 1 and then divide 142,530 by 3 to get the annual cost, because it says there at the top, Supply 1 total cost over 3 years. So 142,530 divided by 3 gives us an annual cost of 47,510. So let's move on to Supplier 2. That is basically 102,640 divided by 2 years, because it says there across the top the total cost over 2 years equals 51,320. And finally, Supplier 3, the total over 5 years, because it says it there, is 229,850. So we have to divide that total by 5 years, which gives us 45,970. Now all we have to do with those final three totals of annual costs is add them together and then divide by 3 to reach the average, because there's 3 suppliers. So 47,510 plus 51,320 plus 45,970 divided by 3 equals 48,266. So the answer there to that question is number 3. So all we're doing with this type of question, even though when you look at it in face value it looks quite confusing, we're reading the question and we are eliminating the other areas and concentrating totally on hot air systems, and it makes it a lot easier to take in the information. Now I want you to have a go at this next question, and I'd like you to write your answer in the comments below the video. Okay, so now it's your turn. So take a look at this question, take notes, work out some calculations, and then put your answer to the question. Let's see who gets it right. So the same question. Kent Police have put out a tender for heating, maintenance and installation. Below are 3 quotes from 3 suppliers. Okay, so we've got Supplier 1, Supplier 2 and Supplier 3. And the question is, now, based on 2 years, what supplier provides the most expensive quote for installation and boiler replacements? Okay, so based on 2 years, what supplier provides the most expensive quote for installation and boiler replacements? And the 4 options are either Supplier 1, Supplier 2, Supplier 3 or Supplier 1 and 2. Okay, so that's the area that we're concentrating on. I've highlighted it in red for you. Based on 2 years, what supplier provides the most expensive quote for installation and boiler replacement? So it's over to you. You can pause the video and work out the calculation and then carry on the video, because I'm going to tell you where you can get some extra test questions. So please put your answer to the question below in the comments below the video. Okay, excellent. Over to you. So type your answer in the comments section below the video. And to get more test questions for becoming a police officer, simply click the link directly below this video, okay, and I'll send you some more free test questions. Also, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, because then you'll get notified first of all as soon as I upload loads of videos. So I create these videos for you for free, so just like the video and I'll do more for you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you all the very best in your pursuit to becoming a police officer.